Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello Kashyap. This time I am back with another interesting topic, water and its cycle. First, let's know about water in brief. Water is essential for the existence of life. We need water to live. Not only we, all the other living organisms on the earth need water to live. Water covers 3/4 of the earth's surface and it constitutes 70% of our body. About 97% of water present on earth is salt water and is found in oceans. Only about 3% of the earth's water is fresh water that we can consume. About 70% of the fresh water is logged as ice caps and glaciers. 29% of fresh water is logged deep into the ground and is known as groundwater. Only about 0.3% of the fresh water is available for us in the form of rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, etc. By these features, we can know that water is a precious resource. Now let's see some sources of water. Rainwater. It is the main source of water. It is the purest form of water. But while falling down in the atmosphere, it gets mixed with other pollutants and gets polluted. Next, groundwater. About 29% of the fresh water on the earth is logged as groundwater. We can obtain groundwater through wells, tube wells, bore wells and other forms. Surface water. 0.3% of the fresh water is available for us in the form of surface water, that is rivers, lakes, ponds, streams and others. Ice caps and glaciers. 70% of the fresh water is logged as ice caps and glaciers. It is frozen. Ocean water. 97% of the earth's water is ocean water and is salt water. In a large scale, salt is obtained from ocean water. Now let's see some uses of water. On a regular basis, water is used for drinking, washing, bathing, cleaning, etc. Water is essential for the germination of seeds and photosynthesis. Animals and plants even maintain their body temperature through transpiration. Water forms the natural habitat for several aquatic animals like the fishes, sharks, whales, dolphins, etc. and even aquatic plants like the duckweed, lotus, water lily, etc. Water is known as a universal solvent because it dissolves more substances than any other solvents. Water in dams is used to generate electricity. This is known as hydroelectricity. Water is used to irrigate fields and grow crops. Even water is used to transport goods through ships, cruises, boats, etc. Even the water helps us excrete the waste in our body through urine, sweat and other forms. Now let's see the states of water. Water exists in 3 states, that is solid, liquid and gas. In room temperature, water exists as liquid. It is water. Water, when it is converted to its vapor form, it goes through a process called evaporation, and when it returns to liquid, it is known as condensation. When this liquid becomes ice, it goes through a process called freezing, and when it returns, it is known as fusion or melting. Similarly, when ice is directly converted into vapor, it is known as sublimation, and when it is returned back to ice, it is known as deposition. In this, some processes are caused due to heating and some of them are caused due to cooling. Now let's see the last and important topic, that is the water cycle. The water cycle is a process in which the water moves from land to sky and back again. In this process, there are 3 processes. They are evaporation, condensation and precipitation. First, the water from water bodies like the oceans evaporate to form water vapor. They rise up and condense and go through a process called condensation and form small water droplets. These droplets collect together and form clouds. They become larger and larger, heavier and heavier and fall down back onto earth as rain, snow or small ice balls called hail. This is known as precipitation. Again, the water which precipitates comes back to form oceans and seas. Again, this starts evaporating. This is a continuous process. This is known as the water cycle. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.